Thank you, Mr. President. My delegation aligns itself with the statement made by Singapore earlier. As the interlinked nature of human rights, the issue of death penalty cannot be seen solely through one single lens. Moreover, there is no authoritative intergovernmental consensus on categories of offences that are considered serious crime punishable by death sentence. Indonesia is fully aware of the ongoing deliberation within the UN framework on the moratorium of death penalty. It should be noted that even within the context of democratic Indonesia, the issue of death penalty has continuously been subject of robust debate among various groups in the society. The pros and cons discussion reflects those in the international fora. We believe that countries who retain death penalty should exercise maximum restraint, careful and selective in the imposition of death penalty. In the case of Indonesia, there are 16 types of crime offense which are punishable by penalty. Among others are terrorism and drug-related crimes. However, only those crimes committed with a certain gravity and severity and serious impact is inflicted to the society will result in that sentence. Indonesia ensures that due process of law is fully observed in the imposition of death penalty. The execution is carried out only after the verdict has a permanent legal force, after all appeals and other available legal avenues are exhausted, as well as when the request for clemency is denied. Between 2008 and 2013, we unilaterally implemented moratorium on death penalty, and if we have to reintroduce death penalty, it's simply because we are detected by the aggravated situation affected our country and society as a result of those crimes. We believe that the application of capital punishment within its scope is consistent with Article 6.2 of ICCPR. We also believe that issue is an inalienable component of legal sovereignty of a country. It serves an important deterrence against what we regard as more serious crime in the society. Justice to be delivered on the basis of law must be considered from various perspectives, such as merit of punishment, type of crimes, and perspective from the victim and their family.
Thank you.
Thank you.